NC Piedmont Outdoors presents Canteen Cup Cooking Chicken Soup. Brought to you by Slammer Series Turkey Calls, made by a hunter for hunters. Visit www.slammerseries.com and get your turkey call today. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, servicing the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, servicing all your pool and spa needs. The Sign Scientist, Sign and Design Lab, providing a broad range of services, which include wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.signscientist.com or call 919-685-7641.
Hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors here again at the hunting land. Just got done with the morning hunt. It's getting a little bit cooler now. It's early October. So I decided once the hunt was over, I was going to go ahead and make some chicken soup today. So what do I have? As always, I have my Canteen cup with my Pathfinder lid. I've got my Canteen cup cook set. I've got some premium white meat chicken from Walmart. I've got some cut up celery and some cut up carrots I'm going to put in there, the soup. I've got my lasagna noodles left over from my lasagna video, so I'm going to use those as my noodles. And I've got this little jar of bone broth, chicken flavored with some ginger and turmeric. And as always, I have just a few little pepper packets to add some spice to it. So I'm going to go ahead and get the Coleman stove started and start throwing these ingredients together, and we'll be right back. Alright everybody, so I'm going to go ahead and get my ingredients in my Canteen cup here. I'm going to add my celery. I'm going to add my carrots. There we go. I'm going to use my little pepper packet here, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that in right now. Alright, got that done. I'm going to go ahead and open the bone broth. Just gonna pop the lid. There we go. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this right in. Alright. Cool. Alright, I'm just going to kind of move this on the heat, and we're just going to bring this to a boil and let those carrots and celery soften up. Then as soon as it does that, I'll add go ahead and add the noodles and the chicken. So let's let that boil, and we'll get back with you. Alright everybody, this has been boiling for a little bit here, so I'm going to take the lid off and just do a quick sample. I'm going to just take a piece of carrot and try it and see how soft it is. It's pretty good. It's not super soft, but it's not super hard, so it's probably perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and drop in my noodles here. So basically, as I said before, these are the noodles for my lasagna cook. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of, break them up like this, kind of drop them in there. Assuming I missed that one, but that's okay. I'll just kind of break it up, drop it in there, let these boil up. Do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken. Just get a few more of these in. Alright, now that I've got all the noodles added into the broth, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the chicken pouch. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this chicken into my soup. There we go. It's okay if there's a little water in there, it doesn't really matter. It's all chicken broth anyway. So get all that out. No sense wasting it. Perfect. Alright, got all those out. So, just going to go ahead and mix this up a little bit. And I'm going to put the lid back on. And we'll test those noodles in a few. And we should be good to go. Alright, let's take this lid off and kind of take a look at the soup. I think that looks pretty good. Noodles look soft. The celery and carrots are soft. Chicken cooked through and warm. So this is going to be great. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn the stove off and go ahead and enjoy my lunch. So anyway, thanks for watching. Certainly If you like the content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button there. If you have any comments about what you saw here today, go ahead and drop some comments. I'm happy to reply to you. Again, simple recipe, right? Some little carrot, celery, some leftover lasagna noodles, packet of chicken, and some bone broth. This one was flavored with ginger and turmeric. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll be posting another video soon. Take care.